Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to write a GitHub Readme file for your repository. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So here in the main page in the upper right corner, we can get started accessing our account. If you don't already have an account, we are going to need one, so you can go and sign up by using the sign up button, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. We can take a look at other repositories we can access. We have our home page and our home icon right here, and now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at everything we need to do. So how can we go ahead and write our readme file? Basically guys, once you're creating a new repository, we can create a new repository by clicking the repositories button right here in the upper left corner. Click on the new button, and it's going to enable you to start creating your repository. So as you can see, once you get started, you can give it a name, description, you can make it public, private, and so on. And basically there is an option to initialize this repository with a readme file. So you can select this to add the readme file. Once you select this guys, this is going to add the readme file to your repository that anybody will be able to access. If you have not already added this, but you have created your repository, if you already have a repository that you want to add it to, basically you can just go ahead and open it up and add the readme file by yourself using any other code options. So like you're uploading code to your project, you can just add the readme file as well, then anybody will be able to go ahead and download and read it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.